To our beloved City Mayor, Honorable Raisa Estranias, to our City Councilors, to the officers and members of the Iloilo Central Market Vendors Association, our hardworking market vendors, our local coffee vendors and entrepreneurs, our partners, guests, friends in media, friends, maayong hapon sa tanan. It is a great pleasure and honor to be part of this year's Iloilo Charter Day celebration, and more importantly, to celebrate Iloilo City with all of you through Kapitas sa Mercado. Today is not simply about gathering together for a cup of coffee. This activity represents something much bigger. It is about bringing together our public market community and our local entrepreneurs, creating connections, showcasing local products, and giving people another reason to experience and appreciate our markets. Coffee has always been more than just a drink. Coffee brings people together. It gives us reason to sit down, to talk, to share stories, and to build relationships. And that is exactly what we want to see in our markets. A place where people come together, not only to buy and sell, but also to connect and to experience the best of what Iloilo has to offer. Today, we are especially happy to welcome our local coffee vendors, merchandisers, entrepreneurs who have joined us in celebration. Your presence here demonstrates the creativity, passion, and entrepreneurial spirit of our local business community. And through your coffee products and stories, you are helping us create a new experience within the public market. We hope that through these activities like this, our market can become platforms where local entrepreneurs can be discovered, where small businesses can be promoted, and where our local products can reach more people. And this is also part of our vision for Iloilo Central Market. This vision is aligned with the continuing efforts of the city government under the leadership of our beloved Mayor, Raisa Estranias, to create opportunities for our local entrepreneurs while improving the experience of our public markets for both residents and visitors. As the local economic enterprise officer, I am grateful to be part of initiatives that bring together different sectors of our community. We believe that the success of our market is a shared responsibility. It is achieved through partnership of our vendors, entrepreneurs, associations, and city government and the community. Kapitas sa Mercado is a good example of that partnership. As we celebrate the Iloilo Charter Day beginning today, may we also celebrate the partnership that make our market community together. Kag sa aton nga mga Ilonggo, sa aton nga mga bisita, kag sa tanan nga ari diri subong nga kaupod namon, we welcome you and Kapitas sa Mercado. Madamo gid nga salamat.